What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
I'm Christy.
And I'm Kate.
And it is winter. Obviously, that means it's cold. But that doesn't mean that the adventure stops. We still like to try and get outside as much as possible. And part of that is griddling our dinners and our meals. So that's one thing that we do. But we also like to take walks and try and find some hikes. So the hikes may be a little shorter than they typically are, but we still like to get outside and stay active. But like you said, we need a warm griddled meal that fills our bellies and makes us warm
from the inside out.
From the inside out. So today we're going to make a spicy pork belly chili.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
In this family, we are carnivores and we like very meaty dishes. So we are going with steak and pork belly. I know that sometimes people add a little bit of bacon to their chili, but we are going big and adding nice chunky pork belly to our chili, so it should be quite tasty. Are you ready, buddy?
Yep.
All right, so the first thing we need to do is get some oil in the griddle and get our meats down. I'm using a leaner cut of beef because the pork belly has plenty of fat for both meats. So we're gonna get both of those meats down. We're gonna salt them up and get them nice and seasoned, and then we're gonna toss them and let them cook through.
Our meats are almost cooked. We're gonna put some garlic on. And to add a little spice, we're gonna add some habaneros and some jalapenos.
Looks like Christmas.
Looks like a Christmas chili.
All right, we're getting ready to put our sauce on, so I'm going to MacGyver the grease drain so that we don't lose our sauce down the back. And now it's time to add our sauce.
That is so spicy. Oh my God.
All right, so now that we got things rolling, we got our beans added. Our last ingredient is we're gonna add some chipotle peppers and the associated adobo sauce. Add a little extra chipotle flavor to our chili.
Spicy pork belly chili.
All right, so now that we got this going, we're gonna spread it all out, turn our burners to low and let it simmer for a little while. All right. It has been probably, I don't know, 10 minutes. And one of the best things about making chili on the Blackstone is that since it's in a sort of a thin layer across the griddle, it cooks a lot faster, and we are pretty much at perfection right now. So I think we are ready to serve up. We are actually going to be serving our chili with rice, which is something that's kind of new to us, but we met a family on the road that served chili to us this way, and we fell in love with it, so I figured it was a great opportunity to add it to this dish. And then we also like to top our chili with some of the more traditional fixins, so we're gonna put some cheddar cheese over top of it, a little bit of white onion, and usually you like to add Fritos, right? Because you like some crunch on your chili. But since we're doing spicy pork belly chili, I decided we're gonna add a little extra heat with the Red Hot Blues. All right, who's ready for some spicy chili?
All right, we are. We've got our waters on standby.
All right, buddy, you ready to dig in?
Adding down. Okay, I have to. Hot?
It's a little
Good.
temperature hot too.
That is so good. Okay.
That's really good.
So much flavor. I do feel it coming in. There's a little bit of heat on my tongue.
Definitely some spicy in there.
Hot.
It's so good. It's
You
so
gotta
good.
try this. The pork belly is just so key. Like,
Yeah.
really delicious.
It
That
brings a whole
steak,
nother level. And making it chunky. It's gotta be chunky, I think. I left it kind of bigger, so it's got more of a presence in the meal, and it's fantastic. And a little crunch from the chips.
I was gonna say I didn't add my crunch. Leave your comments below. Let us know what you think. What do you love to do in your chili? Are you beans, no beans? I think we talked about that before. What do you think about rice? Adding rice, that's another texture and kind of cools it down a little bit.
And how hot do you like it? Are you on the mild side, or do you like it steam out your ears spicy like we do? Anyway, thank you again for watching. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Betty, Bruce, Todd, Taylor, Nate, CJ, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.